In this video I'm going to show you how you can see who has viewed your Instagram story. So first what you want to do is open up Instagram, and if you haven't uploaded your story yet, first you must upload your story to see who has viewed it. Once you have uploaded, click on your story and you can see these are my two stories, but you want to go to the bottom left on activity. From here you will have some story insights, but if you click on this eye icon you will see who has viewed your story. And the best part is you don't have to do any interaction with your story and you know they have viewed it. Now of course from here you can directly restrict, block, remove follower, hide your story or view profile, or have a direct chat with those people, and that's basically it. That's how you view who has seen your story. It's pretty easy. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like and leave a comment. This helped me out if you did. If you didn't, let me know what was the problem and I will do my best to help you.